Welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced driving environment, having a reliable dash cam is more important than ever. Whether it's for capturing unexpected incidents, ensuring safety, or simply recording your journeys, a quality dash cam can be an invaluable companion on the road. In this video, we're exploring the 5 best LINGDU dash cams available right now. We've selected models that offer exceptional video quality, advanced features, and great value, catering to a range of needs and budgets. Check the description for updated links, prices, and more details. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. LINGDU LD014K Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD014K Dash Cam offers Ultra HD dual-channel recording with a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. Its 150 degrees wide-angle lens and f/1.8 aperture ensure clear, detailed footage even in low light. Equipped with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, it allows live preview, playback, and location tracking via the LINGDU app. Features include loop recording and 24-hour parking monitoring with a G-sensor that locks collision footage. The dash cam also supports hands-free voice control for safer operation. This reliable, high-performance dash cam is ideal for minivans, buses, cars, and trucks. Number 4. LINGDU V620 Dash Cam. The LINGDU V620 Dash Cam features a compact, sleek design for easy windshield mounting and discreet recording. It captures high-quality, detailed footage with its 2160p front and 1080p rear cameras, enhanced by a wide-angle lens. Equipped with loop recording, it automatically overwrites old files to ensure continuous video capture. The advanced night vision ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Parking mode keeps your vehicle monitored for impacts or incidents while parked. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy app control, the V620 also offers professional 24/7 support and a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. LINGDU D600 4K Dash Cam. The LINGDU D600 Dash Cam delivers Ultra HD 4K front and 1080p rear video for crystal clear footage, capturing essential details like license plates and road signs. It features advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfer via the LINGDU app. The included 64 GB SD card supports up to 128 GB, with loop recording ensuring continuous capture by overwriting old files. Voice control lets you lock videos, snap photos, or toggle Wi-Fi hands-free. The 24-hour parking mode detects collisions and records time-lapse videos for full monitoring. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, it's a reliable choice for any vehicle. Number 2. LINGDU LD025K 5G Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD02 is a powerful front-facing dash cam featuring stunning 5K resolution, 5160 by 2160 at 25 fps, for crystal-clear video capturing every road detail. It offers a wide 150 degrees lens with an f/1.8 aperture for excellent daytime and super night vision. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast connection to the LINGDU app for live viewing and easy video downloads. Voice control lets you operate hands-free with commands like take picture or lock video. The dash cam supports loop recording and a 24-hour parking mode that automatically saves emergency footage during collisions, ensuring reliable, continuous protection for your vehicle. Number 1. LINGDU LD06-1CH Dash Cam. The LINGDU LD06-1CH Dash Cam captures ultra-clear footage with stunning 5K resolution and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens. Equipped with a Starvis low-light sensor, WDR technology, and an f/1.8 aperture, it delivers superb night vision for detailed recording anytime. Voice control lets you operate hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Built-in GPS tracks your vehicle's speed, location, and route, providing vital evidence in accidents. Connect seamlessly via 5G Wi-Fi and manage footage easily through the LINGDU app. The package includes a free 64GB microSD card for ample storage. Safe, smart, and reliable driving starts here. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.